Hi everybody, so today's video is something that I've been waiting to do for a while. I've used the Norvina palette for about a week and a half now, maybe two, and I really wanted to feature it in a video. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to be using this on my eyes, and I want to tell you a little bit about it, and I'll have a full review and swatch video in a separate video, but I just wanted you to see the application of the shadows because they really are pretty. And if you haven't seen this palette yet, this is what it looks like. It's already gotten some love. I love it so much already. So we're going to play with it today. And if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. As usual, I do have my Dunkin' cup of coffee with homemade coffee. So we're gonna get started. My eyes are already primed, by the way. Oh, I do want to zoom you in to start. I don't really even know what I'm going to be doing exactly. I think I want to use some of the pinks. The only thing with this palette is that it is very powdery, but I will get into that with the review. So I think that might be it first. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it exactly, but I'm going to take my, I literally just had that brush and I just picked it up, this one. I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to go into, I literally have no idea. I love every single one of these colors. I pretty much have used every single one of these colors. Yeah, I want to use, I think I'm going to use Love. I really like this. There it goes. I really like this Love color right here. It is a bright pink, and it is so overcast outside, so that's why I'm looking a little bit washed out, but I think it's still alright. I like it this way sometimes better. I'm going to go directly in the crease. You'll notice that I don't even need a transition color, and it just comes up so pigmented and so true to color. Then I'm going to take the same brush and I think I'm going to take a little tiny bit of Volatile right here, however you say that one. It's like a really dark, cool toned color, just a little bit of it because this one is very dark and pigmented. They all are very pigmented. I'm going to put this in the outer V area. That's really soft and pretty against that pink. I never tried that before. Dragging it a little bit inwards. We'll reapply that pink shade too. I've been doing my eye makeup like this a lot lately, just putting the crease and then the outer V like this. I feel like I learned this technique from YouTube because I used to do my lid shade first and then my crease and then my outer V, and then I did my crease, my lid shade, and my outer V. So I changed my technique over the course of my time with makeup. So, you know, the more you learn on YouTube, the more you apply, which is really cool. I'm going to take that Love shade again and just make sure everything is seamless. How pretty is that? I love that Love shade. It is the perfect pink. That is just what I was looking for. I literally don't have many pinks in my collection, so that's kind of why I wanted this palette. Alright, now I'm going to take, I don't know what shade to use on my lid. Here's what we're working with. I feel like I always use rose gold because it's so pretty. That would match my shirt really well. I think I might use Celestial right here. that came in the palette. This is the one that, this is like really nice. I feel like my other Anastasia fluffy brush is totally messed up, and then this one is just so nice. I love how skinny that is. That's perfect. I should use this for the crease too. So we're gonna take Celestial on my brush. Where else would you put it?
Brush? Where else would you put it?
I think this brush is too small for lid. Just saying. Crease brush. I don't think you can use it really as a blending brush because it is a little bit dense, but I could see myself using that as a crease brush for sure. I'm gonna add some more of that Volatile shade. I don't know what happened to that color. Volatile. That's a love shade. Just bring back that pink. I think that's pretty good. I am gonna take a different blending brush, that's what that's called. And we're gonna... So this purple is very, very soft. That's the only thing. I might wet it, but I just wanted you guys to see like how soft these shadows are. This one in particular, I don't need to wet rose gold. As you can see, it is like a liquid chrome color. It is so pretty. That's like one swipe and done. But this one I feel like is just very soft. So just keep that in mind. I mean, there's nothing wrong with wetting shadows. I don't know why people make such a big deal about that. Makeup is supposed to be playtime, at least for me. So I really don't mind like doing the extra work sometimes. During the work week, I do mind the extra work because, you know, I'm in a rush. So I am just wetting this brush and putting it on. Yeah, that's a lot better. But, like, for the work week, having this eye look would be stunning because it's so soft. So I'm going to wet it again. Kind of creased a little bit. Maybe I wet it too much. Sometimes I really don't like wetting my shadows. I don't know. It looks so weird. I think it does like stop creasing after a while. I don't know. This shade is not really performing as I imagined it to, but I still like the overall look. I have been very happy with this palette, so I'm not like complaining or anything. But let's see, what do I want to do now? I want to apply the brown bone color because that brown bone color is probably one of the best shadows in the palette. Right here, it's called Base. We're gonna put that on the brown bone. That totally changes the game. So I'm gonna apply liner on camera and then the rest of my face off camera, but this is all I have left for my little tiny baby Urban Decay Smokeout liner. It's in a project and I'm trying to use it up. This is my last brown liner. I did order 2 more. Not of this one, but of just a random black liner that I wanted to try. But yeah, I like brown liner a lot more than black. Take a little smudger brush and just kind of. Alright, so I'll be back at the end of the video with my face on, and then we'll do blush, bronzer, highlight, and lips. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so I'm back with the rest of my face on, my brows on, my mascara on, and I'm really liking this look now. That always happens to me. So I do think I'm going to use for blush the Desert Rose Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Before I do that, I need to cap my brow product, which is the ColourPop Brow Pomade, which I kind of am not liking right now. I like the effect of my brows, but it just takes forever to use that brow product because it's a pomade. So let me just brush out these brows. Looking a little clumpy. Alright, so move my mirror over. This blush is so pretty. I love it, and I think it would match really well with this look. So I'm going to take my blush brush, if I can find it. Here it is. And if you know me at all, you know I love blush. So blend just a little bit more. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. powder brush. This is like the best flat brush that I have for blending. I use it all the time. It's the best. So I'm just blending it out so it doesn't look as heavy. And let's see, for highlighter, I wanted to use this L'Oreal Infallible Galaxy stick that I have, because it's this gorgeous duochrome. Why am I swatching it? Because I'm literally going to put it on. But it's this cream blush stick. Oh, you can't oh, okay, good. I was like, is that really all that's in there? Because that would be weird. But I'm going to, I think I'm going to take my finger and dab it. And then apply it that way. Now the sun is coming out. This is such a weird weather day. I am gonna layer this. I don't know with what yet, but I'm gonna layer it. So that's that. And then I'm going to put a little bit in my inner tear duct as well. For highlighter, I'm going to use, one of these, and I don't know which one yet. These are the Wet n Wild ones, so I have like a lighter pink and a darker pink. I think I'm gonna use the lighter pink in the shade Blossom Glow. I love these highlighters. Why am I using this brush? I never use this brush. Talk about being lazy and not getting another brush. Okay, I'm going to use this Luxie one that I have from our BoxyCharm a couple months ago. Or last month ago, I'm not really exactly sure. Okay. That was pretty. I need to do this combination more because that was just incredible. And for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Big Kiko blush. This is Desert Dunes Baked Bronzer in Warm Melange number 200. I don't know what that shade name is, but Canoe gave this to me, and it's massive, and I love it, and I'm so happy she gave it to me. But, yeah, I want to use this today. It's a very, like, desert dusk dunes kind of theme. Maybe that will be the name of this video. Like, the name of this look, I mean. Alright, I need my bronzer brush, which is here. swirl it in there. That was kind of a lot. Let's tap that off. But you know me, I love my bronzer. I've hit pan on all of my bronzers except for this one and the CoverGirl one, but that's because the CoverGirl one and this one are brand new. Pretty much. I've had them for a month, but yeah, that's brand new to me. I think I put a lot on that side. We're gonna have to blend that out like crazy. Oh, the other thing is that this smells so good. It smells like chocolate. Or maybe that was just the chocolate bronzer that's been on this brush forever. I don't know. Really just like putting bronzer everywhere. I don't know, like most people probably don't do that, but I do it. Taking my big Morphe fluffy brush. Lips. What do I want to do for lips? Need more coffee. I feel like that purple like already faded. Oh, that highlighter, yes. All right. I can feel this. I haven't used this in so long. I think I might want a lip liner with this though. I'm gonna try this, which is Dopey from ColourPop. Going in. I sound weird sometimes. Nice bold lip with a bold eye. Love it. Okay. So this is the final look using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really hope you guys like the finished look, but I really like how it turned out. I really like this bold lip and I really like this palette a lot. I will have more of my thoughts in my review, which I will have in this video listed down below if it's up first. But keep an eye out for it, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!